Hey guys, how's it going? So as you've seen, I haven't uploaded a video in a while, and I've just been posting similar stuff to my Instagram. It looked all the same, it was kind of boring. And yeah, that was because the new situation, the corona time, it took so much energy that, at some point I didn't even want to go out and go shooting. But a few days ago, I actually wanted to go out and go shooting because, it annoyed me that I didn't do anything. So yeah, I've recorded it with my GoPro, and now you're gonna see what I was doing. But before we go on with the video, I want you to make sure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel and that you check out my Instagram. It's linked down below. I really put a lot of work in it, so go check it out. Yes, but before we really go on, I just wanted to say big shout out to our model Pia. She's not a professional, but she did a really great job. Then we have this shot, and I think this one shows really well that today's shoot wasn't like many others, because usually you have to warm up a little bit, but at this shoot it was just I took my camera out and I got banger shots on my first tries. And this is still the same location. This was the reason why I wanted to go there. You see the colorful flowers, I thought they look really cool in contrast with all the green leaves. And here you see some examples, and I think it really does look great. We tried some different poses, and here I think are the best shot. This is like a squatting shot. I really like it because our model is on the level of the flowers and you really see the colors. It looks great. Then we went on to this way because I saw that it had a really nice symmetry with the way and the trees and everything. And yeah, you see how I'm directing Pia. And yeah, here's some photos. I think they look really cool with the symmetry. Nice leading lines to her head. So our next spot is this one, and as you see I tried out different poses and different angles, but it didn't really work out. I don't know if it was the light or something else. But yeah, I definitely could have improved my shots there. I got one decent, here you see it, but yeah, this is also the only one that I really like that I got from this spot. Then we went on to this path next to the water, and I tried out some shots, but it didn't really work out because the light situation wasn't that great. Especially when you take a look at her face, you see that it makes some bad looking shadows. But I knew I could improve myself, so I made Pia stand more in the direct light. The light wasn't direct at all this day, but it was still really nice. And what I achieved with this is what you can see in these shots. Pia really pops out of the background. She's really highlighted, and I think these just look really nice. Here you see some shots of her standing. These also look great. Yeah, these are some of my favorite shots of today's shooting. Now I had a great starting point at this particular location. Then I saw this tree that was fallen over, and I took some sitting shots of Pia. It's the same with the shots before. She really pops out, and yeah, I also really like these. Then we had to do a little break because it was raining really badly. But when we were talking, I saw that Pia was looking out at the lake, and I thought this would look really great in a photo, and this inspired me to take some shots, not of her looking at the camera, but of her looking out to the lake and to the forest. Yeah, you see them. I think they look really good. When the rain stopped, we went to this spot. I really liked it because, you know, there were no plants on the ground, so I could move around really easily. And yeah, I tried out some different poses, some different angles, you know, and I think I achieved some really nice shots. This is the other side of this location, and I really like this spot because, you know, in these shots the trees around Pia really make a nice natural framing and fill up the negative space and just make the photos look good. When we were done with the location in the forest, we went on to another spot at the water, and yeah, I really liked this spot, and I took some shots of her sitting in different poses and from different angles. You know, the light was also really great in this situation. Yeah, just look at the shots. I think they look really amazing. Then I wanted to do some other things at this location, so I took some shots of Pia leaning next to the tree, which were not the greatest, but I also took some shots of her sitting, and yeah, I think these photos just look fantastic because the light is great, you know, her posing is great, she has a really nice smile. After this spot I wasn't done yet, but I forgot to record the last spot with my GoPro. This spot was similar to others of today's shooting, but I managed to get some really nice photographs, and yeah, I think I will just show them in the video. Yeah guys, so I think this was just a really nice experience because the conditions weren't even that great, but we still managed to get really nice photos, and you can comment down below what you think of the shots, but yeah, I really like them. So if you like this video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and share the video with your friends. And with all that said and done, take your camera and have fun!